Hi, this is Lisa Friedrichsen. In this Access Tips video, we're going to talk about subdatasheets and how they help show one-to-many relationships. This example comes from page 12 of my Illustrated Access 2010 textbook. In this little database, we only have two tables, customers and comments. One customer can make many comments, and we know that the customers table is involved in a one-to-many relationship with another table immediately when we open it, because of the presence of these plus or expand buttons. So the first customer, if I click their expand button, shows me the two comments in the subdata sheet from the comments table that are related to that customer. So this first customer has made two different comments. They're interested in future tours to Australia, and they're also a computer science major at State University. Let's make a third comment for that first customer. Loved the tour to Missouri. And I'll put today's date, which I'll pretend is 6/1/2013. Alright, so we can use the subdata sheet to automatically enter records in another table that's in a one-to-many relationship with the table that we have open. If we were to open the comments table directly, we would see that comment and we would see that it's hooked to customer ID 1. The beauty of using the subdata sheet, however, is that we didn't have to enter that value, the customer ID 1, in the comments table. We already knew what customer we were working on based on which subdata sheet we were working on. Let's experience that again by entering a second customer for Jessie Siren, a second comment for Jessie Siren. The first comment is that Jessie needs to travel with her seeing eye dog. Let's make another comment that Jessie loves tours to Colorado. And I'll put that in as 6/2 as the comment date. As soon as I move off that record, we know that that record is written down to the database, and so if I open my comments table, we'll see that that comment was added to customer ID 2. Now we know the customer ID field has to be present in the comments table in order to tie each comment correctly to the right customer, but we do not see that customer ID field in the subdata sheet. The linking field in the mini table is called the foreign key field, and it is actually hidden. If I right click that field name and go to unhide fields, I'll see that the customer ID field is in the subdata sheet, but it is hidden. I can go ahead and open it up, and we see that it's present. It's automatically entered when I work in a subdata sheet, and it's the glue that ties each comment to the correct customer. So I really enjoy working with subdata sheets because, number one, they're just straightforward. By working in the subdata sheet, I know exactly what customer I'm working with. Jessie Siren. Let's say Jessie's made a third comment, and the third comment would be Jessie is interested in tours to Texas, and we'll put that in as a 6/3 comment date. The foreign key field customer ID, Jessie Siren is customer ID 2, the foreign key field was automatically filled in for me. How cool is that? And we already know that we're making the comment, we're attaching it to the right customer because we're in that customer's subdata sheet. If I look at the one-to-many relationships, I'll close this table. If I look at the one-to-many relationships through the database tools relationship screen, I can see that customers is on the one side of the relationship, comments is on the many side of the relationship, and one customer can make many comments. But boy, I really prefer looking at those relationships through the data sheet and through these subdata sheets, because then it becomes enormously obvious how the data is laid out, because I can see the sample records while I'm expanding and collapsing these buttons to see that one customer is related to many records. Thank you.